Hey, don't do that to your tie. Let me show you 4 different tie tying mistakes that everybody makes so you can avoid them next time. Let's get right into it. The first mistake, the tie is not coming to rest at the belt line. Yes, don't comment that I'm wearing jeans. Here we go, quick and easy fix. How to get that tie sitting, resting at the belt line each time. It all starts in the beginning when you actually drape the tie over you. What you want to do for perfect symmetry, get it right on the belt line, you're going to take your smaller end, and I find you have to try this a couple times, but you're going to leave it, let it sit to begin between the 4th and the 5th button on your dress shirt. So yes, you're going to actually count down to 4, down to 5. Then you're going to tie your tie as normal. Guess what? That is going to sit at your belt line. Second is when you actually finish tying the tie, you go to move it up to your top of the collar. You should be bringing it up very slowly. It's not a race. You shouldn't be jamming it up to the top, because guess what? If you're doing that incorrectly, it's either going to position off to the side, or it's actually going to change the symmetry of the knot and the surrounding fabric at the top. It's going to, just like that, it's all bunched here. So that's why when you get to that final step, just go nice and slow. Just bring it right up to the top. There we go. Third, and this is a pet peeve of mine, you're done with the tie, you're done for the night. A lot of people just like to loosen it, take it off, hang it up. Guess what? If it stays like this, this tie is now going to become wrinkled over time. After every use, you should be tying it completely, you should be untying it completely. It's going to avoid having those wrinkles. And finally, once you're done tying the tie, you're going to have a look at that smaller end. You want to utilize the little loop in the back and tuck that piece of fabric, that smaller end, in. It's going to keep it there. If you have it out, guess what? You start walking, that moves with it, that moves out to the side. It's not going to look professional. Say if you tied it too tight and the smaller end does not reach the loop, you can always use a tie clip, or a little trick, just shove it right in your dress shirt right there. So there we go, 4 common mistakes that a lot of people do when tying ties. Quick and easy fixes, keep it looking professional. Make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.